had this patio set for quite a while now and enjoy the fire pit aspect of it, but we'd like to convert it from a wood fire pit to gas. So I'm going to try to see if I can repurpose this old camping stove to convert it to a gas fire pit. First, I need to check and see if the stove even works. Then we clean out the fire pit and drop the stove in there with some rocks to see if it will work the way we want it to. The old stove did light and kept a flame, but the flames just weren't what we wanted. We wanted something with a much larger flame, like a gas fire pit. So we ordered this portable fire pit off of Amazon to try to use. For this fire pit to work, I have to remove the tub and these cross braces from the table. I dropped the portable fire pit down into the hole, but it was too short. So I added some bricks to lift it up so that the top rim of the fire pit matches the table. I want to still be able to put the lid back on to the patio set so we can use it as a table. So I need to cut the bottom out of the old rusty tub. Fire danger is a real thing here in California, so I keep a pitcher of water close by while I'm using my grinder. And a face shield for safety. With the grinder, I cut out the bottom piece of the tub. I smooth out the cut edge with the grinder so that it won't cut me or irritate my hand when I reach up underneath to turn on the gas. Next up, I just drop the tub back into the table and screw it in place. Now I want to cover up the gaps around the fire pit and in the lip of the table to make it look nicer. So I got these sheets of decorative aluminum at Home Depot. I trim them down so that they fit just inside the lip where the lid sits. Then place the fire pit exactly in the middle. Mark the aluminum 1/4 inch inside the rim of the fire pit. Then cut the aluminum sheets. I slip the aluminum sheets under the lip of the fire pit and over the edge of the lip of the table. Then screw them together to hold them in place. The cover looks really nice and completes the look. Now, when the nights get cool, we can sit out back and enjoy a nice fire without all the mess and struggle and setting up and the fire danger of a wood fire. Thanks for checking out this video, and please give it a like, share it with somebody who you think might be interested in it, and subscribe if you haven't already to see more videos like this.